Today is all about running, though there is a bit of cycling as well. Ewan and I are at Oaklands parkrun. It is our second time here. Last time was 2019. They were both a bit littler then. But today we've got parkrun to start with, then national running show. So just a 6-mile cycle ride back from here, back to the NEC to enjoy that. So we've got a day of running here, listening about running, buying running gadgets, and generally chatting to people about running. Let's enjoy our Saturday, otherwise known as parkrun.
Today. Welcome to Oaklands parkrun event number 242.
But you're still here. One more breath, one more round. You come too far to back down now.
We are off on Oaklands parkrun on a beautiful morning. Though just a tad on the chilly side. But this course, 3-lapper, slightly undulated, though we were reminded in the briefing that the net effect is net flat. Just, you know, 1 or 2 ups and downs before you get to that finish again. What it does give you is, because it's actually up on a slight hill, some fantastic views over the Birmingham skyline as you run.
This is the grind.
Right,
Show 'em what you
let's get
made
into this
of.
thing. Thank you. Our first lap with a beautiful view ahead of Birmingham, and round we go again. A few more undulations to do. And we've just been lapped by a chap who's on his 3rd lap. We've still got 2 more to do. He's on his last lap. String of runners around the park this morning. It's very busy. This is one of the parkruns that's closest to the running show at the NEC, and so, understandably, there's quite a few tourists here this morning. Thank you, Marshall. This is a keep right park course. It's one of those fun things you have to try and remember when you go to different places. Is it a lefter or a righter? Today, it's a keep righter. The park itself is actually now officially a green designated space in 2014, appointed by Queen Elizabeth, but has been a park here since the start of last century. And it sort of expanded, grew, changed over that time. But when the Tesco was built just by here, some money was poured in to the area to give it a bit of a revamped playground, and the O's that you can see around the park is all part of that's a bit of a revamp. But a lovely space. in this urban area near Yardley. Thank you. So we're just about to pass the tail walkers as we come to the end of our second lap and about to start our third. Next time we come through here, we'll be turning left on the path just here and heading to that finish. And round we go again. Last time to enjoy that view of the London skyline as we drop down this section, then rise back up and round. Oh. Thank you, Marshall. And last time, past this amazing Marshall just here. Hey! Thank you, Marshalls. Little right by the course. You fancy stopping off and doing a bit of quick shop while you do your parkrun? There you go. Tesco and a Lidl. We're just about to pass the finish funnel, but yes, we can't go into it. We're on the opposite side at the moment. We're still going to off and do the other half of the circuit. But there's all the people who've already finished their park run for this morning. I wonder whether Ewan's already in that finish funnel, or whether he's just ahead of me around here somewhere or not. Serious park runner here. Over 600 park runs.
It's the earrings though.
Oh yeah, oh yes. Love them. So I've just got 18 left to do when I finish this one to get to the 500, not 600. Get in there. See you in a bit.
See you.
Thank you. It's time to turn left and head towards that finish. Young Marshall, tell us where to go. Thank you, Marshalls. Thank you very much. A last view of that Birmingham skyline as we run in towards the finish. Here we are. Another part run ticked off. 18 to go. Cheers, guys. Thank you. Fancy gadget there for displaying tokens. Very impressed. Lovely run. Though definitely a little on the undulating side. Now, time to find some breakfast before we head to the NEC. I think I've spotted a cafe somewhere over here called Yew Tree Cafe. Otherwise, we've been told there's a Spoons not far away as well. So hopefully, we can get some breakfast. So we have found Yew Tree Cafe for breakfast, which for the bargain price of £5.50, we have a full English breakfast and a cup of tea. Bargain. And orange juice for Ewan. Pretty delicious too. Ewan's treated himself to a big slab of cheesecake as well. He said he's not going to have it for breakfast. It's for takeaway purposes. Is that right, Ewan? So enjoy our breakfast and then we're on to the NEC.
Welcome to the NEC.
But it was something like Read and Believe, I think. I love that.
I was having a major faff with my kit bag and you were in and out within minutes. And I was like, oh my goodness, how did you do that?
Well, starting my time here at the show with some ultra running inspiration. Very tempted by the 13 Valleys Ultra, so just been finding out a bit about that and what I might have in store if I try that. Not this year, but maybe next year. Right, time to go and explore the show a bit more. So one of the things I love is finding initiatives when I come to these things around climate action. just checked out Climate Games, just downloaded their app, which will allow me to earn points, which will help the environment every time I go running. So if you're into that, check that app out. I'll make sure I drop a link in below. Just discovered I can get a sneak preview of the Milton Keynes medals that are here. So about to check those out. Here we go! Oh, lucky Iona! That was perfect. Just keep your head up nice and high and you'll be fine. Oh! That's it, yeah, go, Iona! Yay! Well done, right. Cheers! The show is closed, and so for ambassadors, it's time to chill with a drink and catch up with everybody. Have you had a good show, Iona?
Yeah.
Lots of fun. Good. Right.
Being with a certain area for basically.
You've been
the
doing
whole day
exercises, haven't you, most of the day?
and helping people out. So
Cool. Right, let's enjoy a drink. You can't have one of these, I'm afraid.
I'm not even allowed to try some because I'm not old enough yet.
No. Well, that's the end to a day of running adventure with running, talking about running, listening to people talk about running, buying running gadgets, and finally, cashing the trainer home. Hope you've enjoyed today's little adventure, and we'll see you on the little adventure soon. Bye!